scared because of the lions are so many. If there was one or two, they could come. Wanted to see. Yes. Nice.
But I actually don't like it.
No, you
I
don't
feel
like
bad
it?
for it.
No, it's what's happening.
Yeah, it's nature.
Yes, nature. If they don't kill, next time you come, you don't see land.
Oh,
You
that's
die.
true.
So let them kill, let them survive. Yes.
See your body. Så, Frank, du bliver nødt til lige at tage video, skal
Ja, jeg har video.
Så jeg kan tage billeder. Nej, der er ikke noget at gøre på.
Hvor er det fucking sindssygt, det der.
Du tager video, eller hvad?
Ja, ja, han.
It's too late.
Too late.
Too late. Just standing there. What the fuck, guys? Ej, Frank, vi synes lige, du skulle være med på det her. Nå, går den stille, når jeg tager billeder?
Helping his friend. Now he's just running away.
Jeg vil egentlig kunne zoome på det her, Frank, så du kunne se det bedre.
Så kan jeg se det på min skærm. Kan jeg se det på min skærm?
Lige se. Ja.